Hi, my name is Jennifer Clement, and I have been a registered dental hygienist since 2011 and a Burst ambassador since 2017. And I am here today to talk to you about why you should travel with all your Burst products and how Burst has made it convenient and very easy for you to do so. One thing as a clinical hygienist that I hear in my operatory often is I'll have a patient come in and they'll tell me, I'm sorry, my teeth are going to be dirtier than usual because I just got back from vacation. At this point, I tend to respond with, well, did you not take your toothbrush? Did you not floss while you were on vacation? And if my patient that's in the chair hasn't discovered Burst yet, then they will tell me, oh, I don't want to take and lose my brush, or I don't want to take and break my toothbrush. And so Burst has thought of everything. Burst made all of their products with convenience in mind and with the forethought of a dental hygienist's mind there. So they've come up with everything that those of us who are clinicians want in all of our products, and it's fantastic. So today I'm going to discuss 3 things that Burst has done to make it easier for you to travel. One of my favorite things is our toothbrush has a 4-week battery life, right? That's amazing. So once you've got this baby charged up, you can put it in your case, throw it in your bag, and head off on vacation. Not have to worry about charging it while you're gone. The second thing that Burst has done is they have a lifetime warranty. Most other products on the market have a 1 to 2 year warranty on them. So if they break or quit working after that time, you do just have to go buy a brand new one. However, if you have a Burst, all you have to do if something quits working, if it stops holding a charge, something breaks, give our customer service team a call and they can help you out. If they can't fix the problem over the phone with you, they'll ship you out a whole new brush. It's amazing. And the third thing that Burst has come up with is all of the cute little travel bags and accessories that they've made to make it easy for you when you're on the go, when you're headed out of town with your family. And so the brush will break down into a convenient hard carrying case that your toothbrush head will fit in, as well as, got upside down, the toothbrush head will fit in, as well as the base. Snap this closed. You don't have to worry about bacteria getting in there. You don't have to worry about someone checking your luggage and maybe sneezing on your toothbrush, because that's really gross. So they made it handy. And as you can see, I have the rose gold toothbrush, which comes with a travel case and this cute little toiletry bag as well. The case, as you can see, fits in the bag. And so if you went with a white or black option, you can always jump on and buy yourself a carrying case. They're only $10. It's a fantastic thing to get. The next product that has great travel accessory is the expanding floss. They all come with this cute little case that when you open it up, your floss is there. It's nice and clean. You don't have to worry about anything getting on it. Snap it closed when you're done, and it fits in a bag very easily. The water flosser comes with this cute case. You pop your tip off of this, throw the tip in, put the water flosser in, and you're all set and you're good to go. It's estimated that about 44% more Americans will be traveling this year and taking twice the amount of trips that they took in the last 2 years. So with travel in mind, on everybody's mind, Burst wanted to be there to give you some tips to make sure that your oral health doesn't fall to the wayside while you're out having fun. Because it only takes 24 to 48 hours for that soft plaque on your teeth to harden and turn into tartar. And then it's a snowball effect after that. More plaque will come, it'll harden onto that tartar, and so on and so on. So, take the advice from a registered dental hygienist and travel this year with your Burst. Go out and impress your dentist when you get home. And with travel in mind, I want to see in the comments where everybody's going to go once all of the travel opens back up. Things seem to be opening up in some parts of the country. I've had patients tell me of different trips they have planned and are hoping on going. I know I want to go sit on a beach, so I want to hear where you want to go. And of course, like every other video we have out there, make sure to hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything. We have a lot of other dental hygienists who are practicing, working in the field, who give little tips and tricks on things, and it's helpful to know. Then you can take care of your oral health which links to all of your systemic health. So go check out some of our other videos when you're done here, and we'll see you on the road.